Hi and welcome to this chess channel. I am FIDE Master and FIDE Trainer Ingvar Johannesson from Iceland, and I'm going to do some training myself here. Checkmate in 1 puzzles, useful for your pattern recognition. Such training is very useful for fast-paced games where you often have time trouble and have to find mates with just a few seconds left. But yeah, the link is in the description. At the end of the link you'll notice it says start time equals 10. You can change this to whatever you want. Let's just randomly change it to 36, and you can see that the timer went down from 36. So you can put more time on the clock for your training if 10 seconds is too little. You can also leave everything behind mate trainer in the link, and you will get just a puzzle and no timer. We're starting with the 10 seconds, and we have double check and mate on the first one. I think rook here. Now we have some pins. So yeah, in the first video we had 32. I managed 83, but just a few minutes ago, but the sound was off. Let's just make, I was gonna make sure my sound is on. Let's quickly do that. Should be on. Where's the puzzle? Here it is. Now I'm running out of time. 94, which was made, but didn't make it in time. Let's just start again. I was worried about my sound, so I lost my focus, but let's start the streak now. Let's do it. Queen here. L-shaped queen. I love this pattern. The queen is like in a triangle. You just need to cover one square, the c4 square, and it's made. Here we probably could use bishop check, queen c6. I thought I made the move. Okay, I need to speed up the mouse. I'm really slow right now. I don't know why. And let's just get going. I'm gonna get it now. 2, queen h8, 3. So this database, I believe, has 2,440 problems. So, from time to time you're gonna get the same problem, but this is protected. Oof. But overall, yeah, you're always going to get new problems. This, yeah, I think this was the problem that I failed in the first video. So we're gonna learn from our experience. Hopefully bishop a3 if nothing can interpose, and it's mate. Smothered mate. Queen here, L-shaped queen. Bishop covers the f4 square. Bishop c3. Can't interpose. Knight covers f4. Bishop a5. Queen double check. Pin. You pin and you win. Wow, this one is... Can't see it. Rook f5 mate. Ah! Oh, okay, but I'm getting up there. It's getting better. We're always getting better. Cross. We know this one. Queens together like this is very useful. Bishop covers b8. Okay, now I'm feeling it. Now, okay, jinx. The jinx wagon is strong, but I think I'm feeling it for this one. A-B? Yeah, boy. Queens. Yes. 94. Queens. Queen check, no. Queen check, yes. Diagonal queen. L-shaped queen. You only need the diagonal. Okay, the queens like this, very close together. It's mate. Rook a7. I think we're heating up. Pin. We had to cover the small guy, the little guy. Here? But then we can play f4 as well. What's wrong with this? I couldn't see it. b3? Yeah. Yeah, boy. You need to cover the G7 square. No, yeah, no interposition here. Queen to nothing because pawn move. Pin. And you win. And bloody pin. L-shaped queen. Pin. Queen here. 95, almost mates. So what's the mate? This one. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I can feel I'm feeling it. Can you feel me? Ooh! Backwards queen moves. Everything is clicking. Everything is clicking right now. Everything is clicking. Morphy-esque, mate-ish type ideas. I hear you, phone. Here? We're feeling it, guys. We're feeling it now. We're gonna break the record. We're gonna do it. Can you feel it? No? Yes. No! Bloody hell, we're not feeling it. D5 was, no, it was not mate. Where was the mate? The other queen to D7, okay. Okay, but we made 40. It's already a long video, so that's my record for now. So if you got over 40, you're still beating me. Officially, I got 83. I mean, I have footage, but with no sound, but okay. On video, the record is 40, so you still beat me with plus 40. But I'm gonna get you. I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.